Alright, today we're going to review completing the square back from algebra so that we can convert one of our quadratic equations into something that would help us find the equation of a circle. The first thing that we want to do is take any number that doesn't have a variable next to it and move it to the other side. So we're going to add 10 to both sides of this equation. After that, we are going to complete the square, and what we want to do is we want to add a number to both sides in order to make this into a perfect square. The way we're going to do that is we're going to take this middle number, we're going to divide it by 2 and square it. So what I like to do is I like to write my work on the side. So I would do 6 divided by 2 squared, which is 3 squared, which is 9. 9 is on the outside of my parentheses here, therefore it's going to go on the outside here and the outside here. The number that's in the inside of my parentheses is going to go in when I complete my square. So what we're going to have to do tomorrow in class is we're going to have to use this method for both x and y so that we can get the equation of a circle. Our goal tomorrow in class is going to be to take this equation and turn it into our equation of a circle that we went over today. I'm going to give you one example now of how to turn this equation into equation of a circle using completing the square. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to move any number that doesn't have a variable to the other side. In this case, it's going to be the 4. So we're going to add 4 to both sides. When we rewrite our equation, we want to leave a little space after the 6x and a little space after the 10y so that we have something to complete our square with. So what we're going to do is we're going to treat each middle term separately. So first, we're going to work with the 6x. So we're going to come down here on the side and we are going to take half of 6 and square it. Half of 6 is 3. 3 squared is 9. Whatever goes on the outside goes on the outside, and whatever we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other. We're going to do the same thing for our y for the negative 10. So we're going to take this minus 10, we're going to take negative 10, divide it by 2, and square it, which is negative 5 squared, which is 25. 25 is on the outside, so it's going to go on the outside and on the outside. The next thing that we want to do is we want to take the number that's in our parentheses and we want to turn this into something that resembles our equation of a circle, like this. So we know our equation of a circle has x in parentheses. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our number that's in the parentheses and put it here. We're going to do the same thing for what we did with y and the number that's in our parentheses here as well. The signs will stay the same. And then to get what it's equal to, we're just going to add up 4 plus 9 plus 25. After we add up 4 plus 9 plus 25, we get 38. From here, we'll be able to find our center or our radius or answer whatever the question is asking us for. So please take notes, write down the steps, copy these two equations down so that tomorrow we can practice this in class.